In this activity, we will have a look at the paragraph group under the Home tab. The paragraph group is the third group from the left. Paragraph alignment improves the readability of your document and makes it look good. It determines the appearance of the paragraph. Currently, the paragraphs are aligned to the left. This means the text goes from left to right and is aligned with the left margin. To align the paragraph to the center of the page, select it and click Align Text Center. To align the paragraph to the right of the page, select it and click Align Text Right. Now, select the paragraph and then click Justify. When you justify text in Word, you give the text straight edges on both sides of the paragraph. Word extends each line of the text to the left and right margins when you use Justify. It may make the last line of text in a paragraph considerably shorter than the other lines. Line and paragraph spacing makes it easy for you to read a document. Select the paragraph and then click Line and Paragraph Spacing. Now, select the number of line spaces you want from the available options. Alternatively, you can click Line Spacing options at the bottom of the menu and select the Line Spacing option from the Line Spacing drop-down menu in the Paragraph dialog box under Spacing. If you want to add space before or after the paragraph, enter the value in the Before or After box. If you want to remove space before or after the paragraph, select Remove Space Before Paragraph or Remove Space After Paragraph. Formatting marks are a set of symbols that provide a visual representation of specific formatting in a document. Show or Hide is like a switch that you can use to see hide formatting marks in a document. Click Show or Hide to turn on formatting marks. You can see the various marks can be seen in the document now. Click it again to turn off formatting marks. Note that when Show or Hide is turned off, its background is shaded. Bullets are used to create a bulleted list. You can create a bulleted list from scratch or using existing text. To create a bulleted list from scratch, click Bullets and type the text. Press Enter to add a new bullet. To create a bulleted list using existing text, select the text you want to change into a list and click Bullets. When you select the down arrow next to bullets, you can see the bullet library with different bullet styles. If you select none, the bullets will disappear. You can select a style from existing bullet styles or define a custom bullet to suit your needs. To define a new style, select Define New Bullet. Click Symbol or Pictures and select any symbol or picture that you want to use. If applicable, specify the font and alignment. You can preview the new style before you click OK. The new style is added to the library. Sometimes you may find a bullet style that you like or find useful in a document that you have received. You can add these styles to your own bullet library. To do so, right-click the bullet style under Document Bullets and click Add to Library. You can also remove a bullet style. Right-click on the bullet and select Remove. The bullet style will be removed from your library. Numbering is used to create a numbered list. To add numbering to text that is already in your document, select the text and click Numbering. To create a numbered list from scratch, click Numbering and then begin to type the text. Press Enter every time you wish to move to the next numbered item. Just like you can change how your bullets look, you can also change the numbering style or even create a new style. Click on the Numbering drop-down menu and select the suitable option.